Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr Safe Chat setting. So let me tell you guys, using Grindr Safe Chat and privacy setting involves managing your profile visibility, securing your account, and utilizing in-app tools to protect your personal information. The key features include incognito mode, screenshot blocking, discrete app icons, and pin locks. The first what you can do is to use Grindr Safe Chat setting is to access safety and privacy settings. So for that, what you have to do is open your Grindr app and then tap on your profile icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now select privacy and security to manage your security feature. Let me tell you guys the key Safe Chat features, which enable this feature to prevent others from taking screenshots of your messages or images, particularly within disappearing messages or private albums. Now send time expiring photos in chats that can only be viewed once and for a limited time. You can also create a private photo album that you can share with specific users and revoke access to at any time. You can unsend messages, photos, or location data, though the other party may have already sent them. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.